Good morning student. Today we are going to start our lesson number 4, weather and climate. Now the weather condition at each of the place given above are different of 10th June. Now this chart different places have the different weathers. Konchi has cloudy weather, it means there is little sunlight. The rainy season has started and moisture in the air will be high. Hence it will take a long time for the clothes to dry. You may have observed a similar situation at your place during the rainy season. At Bhopal, there is a hot sun. The water in the wet cloth gets converted into vapor quickly and the clothes will dry within a short time. Then Mussoorie is located in the north of the Tropic of Cancer. Hence, it receives less solar heat and the air there is cool due to its location on the mountain. Clothes takes longer to dry their ears because of the medium heat and cool air. Factors like heat, moisture and wind influence the time taken by the clothes to dry. However, these conditions keep on changing. We always experience such a changes. Now see, we all weathers, we all are always experience atmosphere conditions prevailing at the place and at the given time. We often talk about it, but these conditions are short-lived. This is what we call weather. For example, we say the weather is hot, cool, dry, sultry, etc. Now, since our childhood, you have experienced summer, rainy seasons, and winter. On the basis of your experience, answer the following questions: in which months the summer, the rainy season, and the winter occur in the year from January to December? Now, which special clothes do you use in the raining? When do you use woolen clothes? And in which seasons do you mainly use the cotton clothes? Just find out the answer from your experience. Now, climates. You must have noticed that each season lasts for a particular period and each season occurs at the particular time of the year. The scientists observe the weather in the region for many years. With the help of such studies, they define the mean weather conditions. The average weather conditions of a place observed over a long period of time is the climate of the region. Climate is generally expressed as a cool and dry, or hot and humid, or hot and dry, etc. The weather changes quite often due to changes in temperature, winds, and humidity. We always experience these changes. The sum total of all these elements define weather. These affect our day-to-day activity and the lifestyle. Elements of weather are taken into consideration while describing the climates. Elements of weather. First one is a temperature. Elements of weather first is temperature. The surface gets heat from the sun. As a result, the surface gets heated up. The air close to the surface start becoming hot and later one by one different layer of the air at a higher evolution receive it. Therefore, as we move upward from the sea level, the temperature of the air increases. The temperature also goes on decreasing from the equator towards both of the poles. Now, air pressure. Air has a weight. As a result, it increases pressure. It is called the air pressure. The lowermost layers of the air get subjected to the pressure of the upper layers. Hence, the density of the lower air layers of the air increases. There is a greater air pressure near the surface of the earth and it decreases with increasing heights. This is where vertical air pressure. These changes also occur in a horizontal manner. This gives rise to the winds. Now winds. Air starts moving from high pressure towards low pressure area in horizontal directions. This moving air is called winds. Winds blows from high to low pressure areas and speed depend on the amount of difference in the air pressure. The next one is moisture. The atmosphere contains vapor. The air that has greater amount of vapor is called humid airs. The humidity in the atmosphere is called moisture. The portion of the moisture in the atmosphere depends on temperature. Air with higher temperature holds a greater amount of moisture. The precipitation. Vapor in the atmosphere condenses into water droplets or snow particles. They are soaring on the earth is called precipitations. Rainfall, snowfall, hailstone, etc. are form of precipitations. Weather is described on the basis of the conditions prevailing at the given time, while climate is described on the basis of conditions prevailing over a longer period of time. Weather keeps changing frequently and we can experience the changes easily. Changes in the climate take place over a long period of time. These are not preserved easily. Latitude positions, height above sea level, nearness to oceans, oceanic currents, etc. are the factors that influence climate. Besides this, mountain range, types of land, local winds are the other factors that influence the climate of region. So, in the next chapter, we shall seek more information about the temperature.